What if I told you the stable One UI 8.5 update is literally around the corner? Are we just one step away from the final release? Big news for Galaxy fans. Samsung has officially started rolling out One UI 8.5 Beta 5 for the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup, including the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Here's what's interesting. In India, users are receiving it labeled as Beta 4, while in Germany, the UK, and South Korea, it's rolling out as Beta 5. The US is expected to get it very soon. So if you're enrolled in the beta program, go check for that OTA update right now. The build number ends with ZZAN. The update size is around 553 megabytes. It comes with the February 5th, 2026 security patch, and while it may look small, it carries an important improvement. Samsung has updated Bixby, making it smoother and more user-friendly. Yes, the assistant is getting smarter and more polished. Now here's the exciting part. When beta updates become smaller and bring only minor improvements, that usually means one thing: the stable version is almost ready. Beta 5 feels like the final polishing stage before Samsung pushes the official One UI 8.5 stable update. And timing couldn't be more perfect. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is launching next week with One UI 8.5 out of the box. The official rollout is expected to begin on March 11th, the same day the new flagships go on sale. Older Galaxy devices might have to wait a little longer, but the wait won't be too long now. So the big question is, are you excited for One UI 8.5 stable? And are you currently running the beta on your Galaxy S25? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love staying ahead with Samsung updates, leaks, and hidden features, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big Galaxy update.